diversity tool right inside of my passenger door. Flip the carpet back, and we have a fuel pump access panel on my 2010 Expedition. Easy access to my fuel pump. Plug and play. Unplug the harness. Unplug. Unplug. Take off this lock ring, and your fuel pump is out. Diversity tool. Hacking a fuel pump access door in my 2010 Ford Expedition. That's what I'm talking about. Diversity tool. I have some grease pins for my ball joints off of eBay. Good deal. These ball joints on this vehicle looks like the original, and there are no grease fittings. So until I'm ready to switch them out, I have these grease pins to insert some grease into the ball joints here. So I'm going to go here. Sway bar linkage boots here. I'm going to put some grease in those. This top upper control arm. Some there. And at the bottom of this control arm. I may lube some of this stuff up in here that looks really rusty. So that's what we're going to do right now. Have my grease gun ready to go. Hopefully it's cleared out. So I can have some pressure to shoot the grease out. And I have my grease cartridge to slide in there. And we're ready to roll. Okay, diversity tool. I've got the smallest grease pen that came with the set, so I can poke a small pinhole in my ball joint and insert some grease. Let's see if any grease comes. Okay. And this one here. Okay, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I think there's a lower one. I can't see it. Diversity tool. This is why I don't like these rim caps, costs 1 second, $75 gone. Then you need to come to the top here, and you have to take I don't know if I'll be able to show this. Gotta pull that hose off right where my finger is. You can't see that hose. Gotta pull off a hose, and on the other end you got to unscrew this hose here, or take off the whole line, which is attached to your power booster. Right up here. Disconnect it right here and take the whole line off, which would be easier for me. I would do that, or I did do that, instead of trying to take this 5/8 and get the line off on top of the steering box. It's take a little more effort, but it can be done. Can't get a good shot down there. Okay, once you get your line off, and pull your line off of the stem down there, but it has a clamp on it.